Hey guys, thank you for joining me. It is your girl Toya, aka Madison Sky Makeup, and coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Today we are doing something different. I have my beautiful sister here, and she's joining me, and we are going to do a live demonstration today. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. So we're going to start off with my favorite, the Embryolisse. I like to do it with my fingers just so I can see texture of the skin, and also if she's oily or has more dry skin, which areas may be drier. Next, we're going to go in with the Prime Shield Milani. I mean, you're going to be all in these people's faces like that. Make sure that your fingers are clean and your breath is fresh. So after we have primed the face, I like to go in with bakery flour powder. So just make sure that none of this oil seeps through. So we go ahead and powder down the face. Really? I mean, you act like I'm beating you with a brick, bro. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX eyebrow gel in the color Espresso. This is, a gel brow product. It's affordable. What it ain't is what it ain't is slow to dry. It dries really quickly. So you gotta move fast with this product. Sissy did me a favor by coming over here with these brows. Arts to perfection. So I ain't gotta do much. Now we are gonna go in and kind of clean up the brows. We're gonna just start here. And we're just dragging that contour down. So we're going on top with a color more her skin tone. Just make sure that tail comes to a point. We can go back in with the Dermablend concealer as a eyeshadow base. And what you want to make sure is that you blend the product out, because you don't want the eyeshadow to apply patchy. So we are going to use one of my favorite palettes, the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette, and just press those into the eye. I found that if you push it into the eye instead of sweeping it initially, it's more pigmented. So now we're gonna go with the browns in the palette. We're going to do these browns here, but just a little bit lower than where we placed the orange. So now I want to switch it up and want to go into my X's and O's palette by ColourPop. So y'all see this little spot right here that kind of left. I'm going to put a little bit of the concealer from earlier right there in the middle. And we're going to go in with this color Reckless. Just start packing it right there in the center. So I'm going to go back in with these oranges that we used earlier and just pack that right back in because it kind of got lost in the sauce. Okay, so we're going to go with one of my favorite affordable, friendly, black radiant continuous cream eyeliner in the color Classic Black. Now we're going to apply some lashes. We're going to use the Le Flare, The Secret of Beauty LFSD09D lashes. This is my palette that I use when I'm working on clients. So it just has a mosh podge of different cream foundations, different colors, complexions, and what I normally do is hold it up to the skin and see where she falls. And this is the Morphe M404 brush that I'm using since he has pretty good skin. So, you know, it's not a lot of imperfections that we are covering up here. Just dab off any shine, any excess. And to keep my baby girl matte, we're going to go in with the Iman pressed powder. This one is in Earth Deep. Now we're going to go in a little bit of concealer. I mixed a couple colors together. Place up under this eye. So we're going to go ahead and frame the brow. A little bit, give it a little highlight there. A little bit down the bridge of the nose. A little bit there. A little bit there. I'm gonna let that get a little tacky. This fan going. Is blend it out. I like to start at the edges of the face. Blend that out. so that it blends into the rest of the foundation. We want the highlight to be a little bit brighter, so we do that one last. Child, that does not tickle. You want to look up or no? Is it really funny? Like, what's funny? Why your head all the way back in the wall though? We went in with the NC55 Max Studio Fix, and I like to put it right up under the eyes. What it does is it makes the face look so much smoother. That's the only powder that I found to do so. And yeah, so after that, I do take a bit more of the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color medium, and also place that under the eye. I don't like to use a lot. I don't want to bake too much, but I do want to brighten up under the eye, keep the eye bright up under the eyes. Center of the forehead, down the bridge of the nose, the chin, and that little top lip area. We're gonna take my favorite contour palette, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and use the contour color. This one and the lighter palette are truly one of my favorites. Go down the bridge of the nose. I'm gonna go back into the Iman Press powder and dust that powder off the blade now. I don't want it to sit too long. Now we're gonna go in with one of my favorite Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. So I do a little menage a trois with those three. We want to add a little bit more color to the cheeks. I want to use the loose powder booming highlighter from ColourPop. Just drop that there. And just blend it all in once again. Iman powder. Want everything to look like it came together and they leave it together. So just blend it all out. All right. Smudge a little bit of that out. Going in with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. You did so well. Amazing. And it's a really creamy pencil, guys. I'm using the Mega Length by Wet n Wild. Okay. So we are going in with the So Fabulous Chestnut Liner. And this is the BFF4 liner from ColourPop. And we are going to use the BH Cosmetics, child, I can't see this, Rosy Ray. Mm-hmm. So the next thing is my go-to, the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And let's make sure we get all of that good setting spray into the skin. That is the final look. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me and my sister today. So until next time, people, see you guys later.